All right, so digestion issues with little kiddos can become kind of embarrassing. So making sure that whether you're on a medication or whether it's just your normal body and you sometimes need some help, getting MiraLAX in for your child is really, really helpful. Now, this is great, this little MiraLAX one that we have here. And we use this because depending on the day with the powder, we could either use a full cap, which is a full portion, or a half. So today, JD is going to be having a half cap. So you take it off, and all you need to do is pour in. And inside, let's put too much. Inside there's actually a line that'll show you right where that half is. So you can just take the half. Now you can see it's really just a very fine powder. And when we pour it into a glass of any kind of liquid, you can pour this into a flavored water, a juice, anything like that.
Anything.
Anything. And then I like to stir it up. Even
It
though
makes
it does ultimately kind of just work on its own and it will dissolve in it, it's faster if you stir. So you can see, we'll stir. It will look a little cloudy, but JD, taste it. Tell me what it tastes like. Does it have any flavor, or does it just taste like the water?
It tastes like the water, but...
Yeah, so if I had this like in a dark glass and gave it to you, you would just think it was regular water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and so this is really easy for you to drink, right?
The only thing is, it's a little saltier than water.
Okay, because of the pellet
Yeah.
dissolves. Okay, and do you, does this help your belly?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you actually don't mind doing this because you know it's going to help your belly? Would you recommend that if other kiddos need it for their bellies, they go ahead and get some?
Yes.
And do you think that they're going to not mind it because it doesn't have any flavor in it and they can put it in anything?
Yes.
Makes it pretty easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you should tell them they should go get some if they need some, right?
Okay.
All right, thanks.